Study: finger tap technique relieves anxiety in minutes. A new study shows finger tapping can relieve anxiety quickly. Study findings: researchers found tapping on specific body points reduces anxiety. It was more effective than deep breathing. Participants with phobias felt less anxious after using this method. How to use the technique: 1. Identify your concern. Are you nervous about a speech? 2. Rate your anxiety from 0 to 10. 3. Create a statement about your problem and self-acceptance. 4. Tap the side of your hand while repeating your phrase. 5. Tap these points 7 times: inner eyebrow, outer eye corner, under eye, under nose, and chin. Repeat your phrase as you tap.